First, you need to assemble the cam box. You can see this is a box specially designed for making cams. It's got holes for the axle carrying the cams to go through, and it's also got holes for the followers. The next thing you need to do is put the cam onto the axle. Making sure that the diameter of the axle is appropriate for the cam, and then feed this through the holes into the box. This can slide around at the moment, so you might want to use some little wheels to hold it in place. And then this cam needs to be in line with the hole, one of the holes for the followers. Then you need to make your follower, so the follower will go through the hole in the top and should be centered on the cam. As you can see, it's falling off at the moment, so there are two things you can do to sort this problem. The first thing is to put a wheel on the bottom to make the surface area larger. But you can see that it's still wobbling around, so it's better if we put a shelf in place so that this is held in another place as well, so it can just go up and down and won't go from side to side. Unfortunately, we have to take the box apart. We need to take the axle out to do that. So this is the shelf, and again you can see it's got the holes punched for the axle to go through and for the followers, and you need to put it the right way in the box, so it needs to go in this way, not this way. And now we've got a shelf for the followers to go through. So now we need to put our axle back in, making sure that the holes are aligned in both the shelf and the box. And again, we need to align our axle, the cam, with the hole above. And then we can put our follower back in. To see the movement, you might want to add an object to it, to the follower. We can create two different types of movement with this cam follower combination. If I turn it now, you should see that it's going up and down. It goes slowly up and then drops down quickly because of the snail-shaped cam. If I move the cam so that it's off-centered, like this, you can see that it is now going up and down and turning around. Once you've got one cam in place and a follower, you can then add two other cams and two other followers to create three different types of movement.